How to replace product on Amazon. The first step is to either go to the Amazon app or the Amazon website. On the app, you want to click the bottom three little dots in the bottom right hand corner, then click on your orders. On Amazon.com, type in Amazon.com/orders. Then once you're on your orders page, click on the product you want to replace. There you should see on the page, if you scroll down, a section where it says return or replace items. Go ahead and click on that. Then once you're on this page here, you want to give a reason why you're returning it. So for me personally, it was like the wrong item was set or something like that, or whatever you personally, the issue you had, the reason why you want to replace, go ahead and click on that. Then go ahead and type in the comments as to what it was. So for me, it did not come as new and it was described as new. So I'll go ahead and type that in. Then once you've given the response, you want to go ahead and click on continue. Then once you click done on the continue part, essentially it will put you through to where the return will go ahead. And then once the return goes ahead, you will either get one of two options. It will either say you can keep your current item, then you'll be sent another one, so you get to keep this book that I've got right here, and I also get another one coming in, so they don't want you to send it back. That's one possibility. The second possibility is that they might make you return the actual product. So if you're going to return the product, what you want to do is you want to package it correctly with the different details that they give on the Amazon app, then return the product, and then you should receive either another product or a refund as well. That's possible through this thing. But once you've done typing it in, click continue, then you'll be prompted with either one of those two options there. For me, it says replace with the exact same item. You just go ahead and click continue. For you, it might be a bit different, but it's all done within this section here. For me, once I click continue, it's all done, it's all finished. For you, it might be different, but that's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.